Hello and welcome to Plant Crafted Pantry. Today we are making Aquafaba chocolate mousse. I'm starting by measuring out 3/4 of a cup of dairy-free chocolate chips into a microwave-safe bowl, along with 3 tablespoons of soy milk. And then we will melt this in the microwave starting with 30 seconds on high. Now we'll give it a stir. And then we'll keep microwaving in 15-second increments and then stirring until it is fully melted. Now I'm adding 1 cup of Aquafaba from my home canned chickpeas, which I think tastes better than store-bought, into the bowl of my stand mixer. Adding 1 tablespoon of sugar, a teaspoon of cream of tartar, and a teaspoon of cinnamon. And then, using the whisk attachment, I'll turn my mixer on, starting at low speed, and gradually increasing until it's running on high. And we'll whip this until it forms stiff peaks. So here it is after about 5 minutes of whipping on high, and we're at the stiff peak stage. So now we're going to take about 2 cups of the whipped Aquafaba and mix that into the chocolate mixture, which has been cooling on the counter. And now that that's combined, we will pour the chocolate mixture back into the rest of the Aquafaba and gently fold that in until everything is just combined. Making sure to be as gentle as possible to keep it from deflating too much. Now we'll divide it into 4 small serving bowls, smoothing out the tops a little bit. And then we'll put these in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours before serving, but overnight is better. And then to serve, I'm adding a little bit of strawberry jam and some cashew cream, but you could use any toppings that you choose. So here is what our finished mousse looks like. It's nice and airy on the inside. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you try it out and subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks for watching. Bye.